What's good? What's up? What the business is, YouTube? YouTube family? Pursuit of freedom family? I don't know how much freedom you looking for out there, but me, I'm looking for all kinds. I'm looking to stare my boss in the mirror. But I'm bringing to you another long-term pick today. Tandem diabetic care, healthcare sector, medical devices. Now, I took you all the way back. TC2000 is the software. I always got the market running across the top. When I release them, there they go. Now, Tandem, man, this company makes me sick. But you're going to discover why they make me sick here in a second, man. About 2017, you know what I mean, November, December, or whatever, early January 2018, I'm eyeballing this here stock. Well, I'm eyeballing it really in December. And I'm just looking for the breakout pattern as I had paid a mentor, Cameron Foos. Now he's Iconic Traders. Uh, and and I really learned to spot these patterns. I honestly was spotting these patterns from his YouTube videos and Tim Sykes YouTube videos and Bulls on Wall Street YouTube videos because I've been addicted to watching the market, right? But this is when I first spotted Tandem back here around this $3 level back here. After this here 1 for 10 split, and then they gap down. They just been in a long consolidation phase for a minute in 2017, right? The stock started to creep close to this here level, looking like it was gonna break and push above it. This is what I look for every single day. You know what I'm saying? This is my primary go-to. And I'm now starting to look for the opposite effect when they break down. And I'm looking for that a heck of a lot more now than I ever have. Because I feel like the season of breaking down stocks is almost upon us. So the stock began its push higher. How long have I been yapping? Yapping too long already. 2, 3 minutes in, and it broke this level. Just makes me sick. I should have threw everything I had at it, but this is hindsight talking. So it ran from $3 up to $4, you know what I'm saying, a day. But as time continued, that next level, this new high up here, $4, this becomes the next breakout level to look for. So I'm gonna slide my resistance up here to $4 because that's the new resistance. And let's just see what the stock did the second time it got to a resistance level. It pushes above it. Now, when time going on, this company began to make me sick. So if you missed the first break, which I did down here at $3, I could have caught the second break at 4, missed it. At this point, I'm telling a homeboy on my job about the stock. I mean, and we literally have watched this stock down here from like 3, 4, $5. And look what this company did. God dang. Now the first area I was looking at the stock, you can't even tell. Down here at $3. That break of 4. I mean, this is what happens. Instead of having your money in the bank, uh, that's already 200+% at $16. I could have been buying this here stock since January or late December 2017, early January 2018. Look at what this company doing. I mean, this is why I start with the chart. I don't got to read sugar honey iced tea. I ain't got to read nothing. Another level to break right here in the 50s. Can it break it? Can it get above 50? Yeah. God, dog. Now the company 2 years later is at $70 and climbing. It'll be a failure of a man who looks at stocks to society for me to not put this information out you. This here tandem diabetics, I know a lot of diabetics. Diabetics are, I mean, it's the plague in my family, man. Diabetes. So let's take a look at the company for a little bit. Tandem, you know what I'm saying? Uh, Up 9.7% since the last earnings report. Average trading volume is about 1.7 million. Yesterday they did about 1.4. Uh, Let's get to their statistics. Let's look at some news, some more news. I mean, why is tandem diabetes up 9.7% since the last earnings report, right? I don't really feel the need to read this here, but I'm gonna tell you this is it right here. This T Slim X2 rollout drives revenues from Tandem in the first quarter. I ain't got to read nothing else. Okay, let's take a look at their statistics now. What I love about Tandem, large cap company, 4 billion. You can find a large cap company with a float at 50 million. 58 shares outstanding. Look at the institutional interest. 89% of this float, institutions got it because they know the company's going places. I always like to look at their debt though. The debt down here at 14 million. Look at the cash. This is a company to buy people. You see the debt at 14 million. Look at the cash though. They can pay that debt off in a heartbeat and still be up 110 million at least, right? Next up, let's check out the company's profile. 653 employees. I always just take a quick glimpse at what CEOs and the big dogs is getting paid, right? They way out in California, yay. Almost down there near the border, right? Tandem, uh, Tandem Diabetes Care Incorporated, a medical device company, designs, develops, commercializes various products for people with insulin-dependent diabetes in the United States. The company's flagship product is that T Slim X2 insulin delivery system that comprises T Slim X2 pump. It's like a constant pump that you wear. You know what I'm saying? And it detects and it'll give you an injection. You know what I'm saying? No more constant needle sticks, right? It's 300 unit disposable insulin cartridges and infusion set. It also provides the T Slim X2 insulin delivery system with basal IQ technology. I don't know what that is. You know what I'm saying? But they in the diabetes sector. Diabetes is a humongous problem in this country. We need to cure it, but for right now, we're medicating it. This here company is doing big things as far as that. So let's look at their site for a second. You go to tandemdiabetes.com. Now available, they show you the T Slim insulin pump with basal IQ. Um, and you get a good look at it. More products, software, apps, Tandem device updater. I'm just clicking on stuff at this point, just looking through, seeing what they have available. You can come to this site to yourself and take a quick look at it. Uh, I'm researching companies, man. These companies, I don't have new ideas for creating the next new company or the next new invention in my mind. There's already a bunch of good companies out here doing that. All you got to do is position money to grow. You know what I'm saying? So that's what can happen though when you're looking for something so simple. I'm gonna rewind that. Yeah, dog. When you're looking for something so simple in the form of just a chart pattern, the stock ever climbs above that, that's called the breakout. We got that. Then I started doing research. Why is this company breaking out? And look what they've been doing. Have mercy. Can they go higher? I thought they weren't gonna get above this at 50. Shit. Jumped above 50, and right now they look like they about to come back up here and test this $75 area. This stock can very easily be $100 stock. You know what I mean? With time. You know what I mean? The intraday chart, I slide that out because I just want to show you that even large companies, $50 companies, they have these big jumps and breakouts. They do the same thing that the smaller companies do. Um, I could have been throwing money at this stock and this stock only for a couple years now, and I'd be up deliciously. I'd be up heavily on my money. Look at how much I'd be up. 875% on the money. Y'all better learn how to trade stock, people. Better get into this here market. There's money out here. Oh, I got more. I got to come into another video though because I've been yapping for right about 10 minutes. That's tandem diabetes. Hey, diabetes for some strange reason until we change up our diets. Stop eating all of this here sugar, even though processed sugar is everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Diabetes is going to be here for a minute. This company is making a great product. If you find any of this information informative, give me the like, subscribe to the channel. Oh, there go my candle. This right here is a buy signal right here. That candle right there. Look at it. It's beautiful, ain't it? Beautiful. What happened after you see this candle? Hey, this is Pursuit of Freedom.